Own a VVCAR R39, 5K dashcam? You're already ahead in road safety. The VVCAR R39, 5K dashcam, 3-channel takes your road safety to the next level. This exceptional 3-camera system provides ultra-high-resolution 5K for the front camera, ensuring every detail is captured with astonishing clarity. If you're using the front camera alone, you'll experience a remarkable upgrade from 4K to 5K picture quality, offering an expanded field of vision. Key features: 2023 technology upgrades. This car dashboard camera allows simultaneous transmission of footage from the front, rear, and interior cameras. A simple tap on the screen lets you switch between different views, making it a versatile tool for capturing your journey. 3-channel protection. The VVCAR R39 dash camera offers a 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle front camera, a 150 degrees interior camera, and another 150 degrees rear camera. All recording at 4K, 3840x2160p, for the front and 1080p for the interior and rear cameras. It provides a comprehensive view of your vehicle, allowing you to monitor the front, inside, and rear simultaneously. This quality recording ensures solid evidence in accident disputes. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. This smart dashcam comes with built-in GPS for precise speed and coordinate recording. It's also equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity for easy pairing with your smartphone. Using the dedicated app, you can view dashcam recordings live on your iOS and Android devices. Downloading road videos to your phone for quick sharing with friends and family on social media is a breeze. Super Night Vision. The VVCAR R39 dashcam captures clear images even in low-light conditions or at night. This ensures that crucial details are preserved and that the actual scene is accurately reproduced, protecting your rights and interests. 2-in-1 operation design. Unlike conventional button-operated dashcams, this car camera features a full touch screen, making it easy to navigate settings and menu functions without cumbersome buttons. It also retains the original physical buttons. Loop recording. You can choose from 1-minute, 3-minute, or 5-minute loop recording intervals. The 64 GB memory card included means you don't have to worry about running out of storage. The dashcam will automatically overwrite the oldest videos to free up space. 24-hour parking guard. To activate this function, you'll need an additional car accessory, a hardwire kit, not included in the package. The VVCAR R39 dashcam seamlessly switches to parking mode when your car is off. With time-lapse recording, it continuously records with low power consumption and a low frame rate, providing around-the-clock protection for your vehicle. In conclusion, the VVCAR R39, 5K dashcam, 3-channel is a top-tier choice for road safety enthusiasts. With its incredible resolution, simultaneous 3-camera recording, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, night vision, and seamless operation, it ensures you're well prepared for any situation on the road. If you already own one, you're a step ahead in road safety.